QK1225 CNC pipe threading lathe. Welcome to our demonstration of the advanced CNC pipe threading lathe, designed for precision and efficiency. The lathe spindle bore diameter is 255 mm. The span of guideway is 600 mm. And the max weight of workpiece can be 4 tons. This all your pipe threading needs with unmatched accuracy. The lathe CNC system is figure. Operators can easily program thread specifications, including pitch, diameter, and length. Lathes are equipped with steady rest from 160 to 350 diameters. The lathe is equipped with a manual tailstock. The electronic components of the lathe are Schneider, a trustworthy brand. You can also choose other brands according to your needs. Our lathes can also be equipped with an automatic chip conveyor, making chip removal more convenient. If you are interested in this lathe, please contact us.